So yes, when I came here, the doctor told me I had an infection on my left side. I knew I did, and he said that's really a big infection, and I had been living with that pain. But I learned to live with the pain and eat with the pain because of my fear of the dentist. I felt embarrassed. I didn't feel like that I could open up my mouth wide and laugh with my children, but I have been dealing with bad teeth my entire life. I've had gum disease, I have had cavities, and then, I would go into a dentist and they would go, oh my gosh, well, you're gonna end up losing your teeth, and it just felt like they were ridiculing me, so I just quit going. When I first came to the Marquis Center, my fear was the pain, and Dr. Waters addressed that immediately. And then I did tell him, I said, Dr. Waters, I don't like dentists, and I don't go to dentists. And he said, well, you don't need to fear us, we're a team. He explained to me they were going to take care of me, that at the Marquis Center I wouldn't have any pain. He said, you will never feel anything. That was one of my biggest fears, and they addressed it immediately. Dr. Waters did. And really, after that, I was so excited about having teeth in one day that I didn't have any more. I trusted. The Marquis Center and Dr. Waters and Heather were so nice. I don't know how to put it, that immediately I trusted. He explained to me the all-on-4 procedures because he knew I already had the denture. And my bottom teeth I still had, but they were all bad. And he said, we can do the whole mouth. You will come in here, we will take you in that morning, we will do surgery, you will never leave my office without teeth. I cried the minute they showed me the mirror. They were all around me to see the big reveal, and then they went and got my husband, which was a very special moment to me because he is my biggest supporter, and he saw me and he said he couldn't take his eyes off of me. I can smile, and I love my smile. I love my smile. The Marquis Center and Dr. Waters and Dr. Mueller have completely changed my life.